In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com's automation recipes for sales. We'll walk through how to set up a few practical sales automations inside your sales pipeline so you can reduce manual work and keep lead management moving smoothly. Start by logging into your Monday.com account, then open your sales pipeline board. Once you're inside the board, click the Automate button to begin creating workflows. For the first automation, we're setting up an automatic assignment for new leads. Open the drop-down beside Create Automation and choose Create from Scratch. In the Automation Builder, click. When this happens, this section defines the trigger or the event that starts the automation. From the list, select When Item Created. That means every time a new lead is added to the board, the automation will run automatically. Next, type and select Add Assignee. This tells Monday.com what action to take after the trigger occurs. Click the Person field, then choose Me as Deal Owner to Item. This assigns the new item to you as soon as it's created, which is useful if you want every incoming lead to have an owner right away and avoid anything slipping through the cracks. Now create another automation. Again, choose Create from Scratch. Click when this happens and select When Person Assigned. This trigger activates the moment someone is assigned to a lead. Then click. Then do this. Search for Notify Someone and select it. Click the Someone field, choose Me, and also set it to the item's deal owner. This ensures the right person receives the alert. Click Notify, add your subject line, type your notification message, and then click Create Automation. Next, we'll create one more automation that reacts to changes in lead priority. Add a new automation and choose Create from Scratch again. Click. When this happens, then search for and select When Column Changes. Click Column and choose Priority. This means the automation will listen specifically for updates made to the priority column. Now click. Then do this and select Change Status. Click the Status field and choose Priority, then click the Value field and select High. This updates the status automatically when the selected condition is met. After that, click Add Action and choose Notify Someone so a follow-up alert is sent to. Click Notify, add the subject line, type your message, then click Someone and select the deal owner. Also include Me so you receive the same notification as well. Finally, click Create Automation. That's the full process for building simple but powerful sales automations in Monday.com. Assigning new leads, notifying reps when leads are assigned, and sending alerts when priority changes. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.